You guys ready? I want to make sure that you guys are hearing me okay. Everyone good as we get into it here? Check, check. Everyone good? All right. Let's continue. Let us continue, my friends and family. And really, without webinars, I don't know, of course, one-on-one prospecting can always do that, to the cows come home. But without webinars, there is no real leverage. Like there isn't. Like the ability, I get asked all the time, if you had to start over, what would you do? This is what I would do. I would find an offer, something to sell, something I'm passionate about, provide some value, as you will see in one of these steps, and just use this template and get out there and pay for some traffic, some targeted traffic into a webinar room and do exactly what I'm about to show you. So this is the 5-figure per hour webinar template that we have used over the last decade to do tens of millions of dollars in online sales. Let us go. 7-step webinar framework. Number 1, and if you guys can, gals can pull up if you can type while we do this, I'm going to ask you to do that. Okay. And what are you selling? Who is your target audience? What do they want? And what are their biggest challenges? Okay. Like if you can answer those, we can come up with a sexy webinar title. And it should be, good, sexy, right? It should definitely catch your audience's attention, right? So that's a couple examples. For MLSP, how to get fresh prospects asking you about your business every single day. That's what we know, leads and money, from doing this a long time. That's the benefit that our target audience wants. How to get fresh prospects asking you about your business every single day without what? What's the pain that they want to avoid? Without chasing friends and family. What's it for you? How to make money from the 90% who say no to your opportunity without ever getting rejected. I mean, that's another MLSP one. Health and wellness, okay? How to lose 10 pounds in 30 days without cardio. So think about it for a moment. What are you selling? Who is the target audience? What do they want? It is 100% always about them, not you. What do they want? And what are their biggest challenges? So pull up a text document and brainstorm with me, Think of a title. It's guys, this isn't, we're not going to print. You're not getting a tattoo tonight with this information, right? But think about it. And you gotta, if you're brand new into the profession, into your industry, that's okay. Get obsessed. You gotta become a master. Who are the influencers in your industry, right? What are they talking about? Get obsessed about, the podcasts in your industry, the blog posts, the YouTube videos, that you need to consume the content so that you can become an expert in that niche and that you can start regurgitating, start teaching, start training that information to build that audience yourself. So what's the number one benefit, right? You're selling a supplement that help you lose weight, right? What's the benefit? Losing weight. I mean, the real benefit, right? Looking good, right? Looking good in a bikini. I mean, we're not going to go too crazy down the offer side or down the copywriting side tonight, but I want to give you an overarching umbrella dashboard view of what all it takes to host your first webinar starting next week. You guys have something? You have something written down? How to get X without Y. How to get the result without the pain. Cool. And of course, it does help to know your audience a little bit. So very simply, your webinar title.